Hello guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It is White Sunday morning here in Samoa, and if you guys have noticed, I'm actually in a different kitchen right now. So whose kitchen am I in? We're actually spending White Sunday with my parents because our kids have got items to do for White Sunday at their church. So yeah, we've got a big lineup of food for you guys today and for kids. But yeah, we're gonna get started. Might be wondering, then who's cooking kwa? Well, Loy's covering kwa with Uncle. So Loy will be cooking the food with Uncle, but I will be taking over cooking duties here at my parents' house for White Sunday. You know, White Sunday is all about the kids. So yeah, got a lot to cook. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I was actually trying to watch the England versus Samoa game at the moment for the World Cup, but I'm actually running low on time the more I watch it, so I've got to get started. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and we'll see you guys soon. So what's on the menu? Quite a lot, to be honest. So my mom's just cooking breakfast for the kids. We've got waffles. We've got bacon, but I'm gonna start cooking. Begin cooking the stuff for tonight. So saka in there already done. The pak choy tomatoes for the stir fry. We've got mamoy for the stir fry, and we'll roast the other one. We've got fresco martino. Then we've got to do mashed potatoes. We've got steak done, so still got quite a lot to do. Still got quite a lot to do, and we'll hopefully get all of it done before the kids get back from church. So catch you guys in a bit. Got the Massimo on the heat now to get started on the marble. Damn kids, man, so lucky these days. So here in Samoa, bacon is quite expensive, but we decided to get bacon for the kids. Well, I didn't, but my mom did, because it's a one-time thing to make breakfast for the kids, especially for White Sunday, so going all out for the kids today. It's my older brother Udo working on the coconuts with okra. I've got some lemon here, cucumber. Just gonna take a quick smoke break. I was helping out the wife prepare the kids. It's almost time for church. So. Mr. Young Farmer is getting baptized. That's why he has to go to church too. Man's gonna get baptized. But I still have to cook. Still gotta keep cooking. One of the problems I'm having, especially here at my parents' house, is that there's not enough burners, not enough. They only have one stove here, so, and on that stove there's 6 burners, but only 3 work. So I'm trying to work my way around getting most of this stuff done. So still got quite a lot to do. We've already got the povi masima on, the lamb, the mamo is already on. We still have to do. We've got some lobsters. And crabs we need to do. We've got the oka, and also we've got the potato salad to do. The potatoes already cooked, but trying my best because I've got the eggs to do as well. So the kids, wife, and my mom just left, so we're gonna have to crunch down now. See you guys in a bit. Alright, so Udo coming through there with the oka, the coconut cream for the oka. Just taking out the fish for the oka, let it just defrost a little bit. But we've got the lobsters, and I'll show you guys this because it's another shelf. It's another sea creature, but not sea creature. It kind of looks like a lobster, but it's not a lobster. So I'll show you guys, and maybe you can comment down below the English translation of that. But just dicing up the second bit of the mamoe for the stir fry, which was pak choy and tomatoes. My tomatoes. Here we go. Oh, scoop. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you what I was talking about just a few minutes back. But this is what, so in Samoa this is called a paka. And it sort of looks like a lobster or something. It's got a really flat head, and I'm just gonna steam these, but it does have a tail like a lobster, if you guys can see. So really nice. Just gonna steam these. But I wanted to ask you guys, if you guys know what this is, please comment down below, because I'd like to know the English version, the English translation for this. Just so that I can search it up on the internet. So we've got quite a few of these to cook. Actually quite sharp. The lobsters. One crab somewhere. Here we go. One lucky crab. I wouldn't say lucky, but unlucky. It's
probably still alive. No, it's dead. Alright. Just gonna take off the wrapping and then throw it in. Get some hot water, and get some water, and then throw it onto the oven. The thing was still alive. Almost clipped my hand. My pop's here. He's not going to church as well because he's got the flu. Eggs for the potato salad are now done. Just going to let it cool off a bit. Alright, so eggs is off. Got the lobster and the other stuff on. I think that's about it. We still got the yoka to do. Potato salad's done, almost done. Steak's done, and we've got the stir fry. So also I think I'm gonna fry some eggs. Eggs go well with steak and eggs. So just taking out the mamoy that we were just quickly blanching, just so that it cooks a bit. I'm gonna add a secret sauce to this and then quickly barbecue that. But the one I was chopping up for the stir fry is now back into the pot. And we're going to throw that on the heat to get it going. So I always add salt whenever I finish chopping any sort of greens, just because the salt helps kill any insect in there, and also if there's any, like, I don't know, microorganisms. So I'll let it soak for about maybe 10 to 15 minutes to ensure that the salt penetrates, and then we just rinse it 3-4 times afterwards, so just ensuring that kills all the microorganisms. Alright guys, so again just a lack of the facilities and equipment. Just sitting up outside on the grass. It's quite difficult trying to do this without a proper barbecue facility, but I'm trying my best because gotta make it happen for the kids, you know. It's once in a lifetime. Oh, not once in a lifetime, but more like, you know, once a year. It's all about the kids and not about us, so just making it happen. Just gotta make it happen. Alright, fire is rolling. Just gonna let the coconut shells burn off for a bit, and then we'll try and make the flame die down, and then we'll start barbecuing it. So the reason why I opted to do a barbecue because the kids wanted roast lamb and the oven doesn't work, and I'm not going to buy roast lamb from the shops because the cost of the lamb is through the roof, so I might as well just do it this way, still achieve the same flavor and the profile of the lamb that they want. These kids can be so complicated, you know. Jesus. So So because of the wind, it's hard to control the temperature because it keeps flaming up. So I have to try and add a bit of water to the charcoal to try and make it controlled, to try and control the flame. So far it's looking pretty barbecue's looking good. Let's get started on the lamb stir fry. That's already been rinsed 2 to 3 times. Now I'm going to throw that into. Just taking a small break at the moment. Everything's almost done. Just got the stir fry left to finish off. The yoka is now marinating. Just need to chop up the tomatoes. Stir fry. Potato salad is good. Just need to add the mayo, but I'm gonna leave that until everyone arrives. Don't want to add the mayo too quickly. Lobster, crab, and that other thing, the baka, is almost done, and the mamo is done. Masima that we started off in the morning, that's cooked. So just gonna get this out of the way, and then hopefully we can get a result plate pretty soon. So mahalo halong sa. Alright guys, so finally finished cooking. Also the kids have finished eating. I'm gonna show you guys the result. Ooh. Look at that baby. So excited. So we've got our steak. Mom prepared that. Masima. Got the corn. Stir fry mamwe. Brother came with egg fouillon shrimp. That's the papaka. It's kind of like a lobster. Got that barbecue lamb we did. Got the luau. Got taro. So everything's looking really good. I'm really excited to get into this and eat it. So too good, man. Ooh. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I know I did making it. Just like to wish everyone, all the kids around the world here in Samoa, a happy White Sunday. You know, it's days like this we just sit back and reflect on our journey, you know, when we were kids to adults now, and it's just to be grateful for raising kids, you know, and not only that, but also to be mindful of that there are some kids that are unfortunate, quite unfortunate not to have good meals like this. So it's always good to keep in mind that while we enjoy, you know, the many food that we do have for White Sunday, there are other kids that aren't eating as well as us. So wishing them all a very happy White Sunday, and also to some of the parents who are quite unfortunate that may have, you know, lost a child a month or even weeks before White Sunday, still clouded, you know, with grief and stuff. So it's you know, although it's a day to celebrate, but also to keep in mind that some of us are very fortunate, and while others are quite unfortunate. So I want to wish you, everyone, all the kids that watch this channel, parents as well, happy White Sunday, and great job to all the parents for raising really good kids. But that's it from us, guys. I think I'm gonna sign off now. Hope you enjoyed the content today. I'm trying to keep an eye on my phone in case the fly stands on it, but make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. Definitely catch you on our next episode. Until then, God bless, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you soon.
Said that you've been hurt one too many times before. Ended up staring in the bathroom mirror, crying on your bedroom floor. Baby, you can